Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge bar cake. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including butter, sugar, flour, and chocolate. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the cake bakes evenly from the start. Next, prepare a 9x 13-inch baking pan. You can line it with parchment paper or simply use a good non-stick spray to prevent sticking. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth baking process. Now, let's create the delicious crust. Melt 1/2 cup of butter, then mix it with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. This forms a crumbly mixture. Take about 2/3 of this mixture and press it firmly and evenly into the bottom of your prepared 9x 13-inch pan. Bake this crust for approximately 10 to 12 minutes or until it's lightly golden brown. Next, we'll make the rich fudge layer. In a saucepan, combine 1 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips with 1/2 cup of evaporated milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir until smooth and melted. Pour this warm fudge mixture evenly over your partially baked crust. Then, sprinkle the remaining 1/3 of the crumb mixture over the fudge layer. Bake the entire cake for an additional 20 to 25 minutes or until the fudge is set. Once baked, it's essential to let your fudge bar cake cool completely. This can take at least 2 hours at room temperature, or you can chill it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to speed things up. Cooling ensures the fudge sets properly, making it easier to cut clean squares. Slice your delicious creation into 2-inch by 2-inch squares and serve. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fudge bar cake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.